Will my PC explode? Let's find out. As of recently, more and more of my projects are heavily involved with VR and 3D modeling. Since 2025, I have been learning how to use Blender, Unity, and Warudo to bring my visions into reality. But as my process becomes more complex, my PC is rather underpowered, and my graphics card isn't powerful enough to handle the workload, which causes friction with my creative process. So today, I decided to take the plunge for the first time of my life to upgrade my graphics card and replace it myself. The card I picked was the RTX 5070 Ti. Somebody in this community generously offered to split the cost with me as a gift. This is going to be a massive upgrade to increase the quality and efficiency of my creative endeavors. The thing is, when you upgrade to a new card like that, your old power supply won't cut it. My goal today is to replace both the power supply and the graphics card myself. But for now, I'm just focusing on swapping out the power supply. But next time, I'll save the graphics card installation for the next video. So I hope this process will be informative. I'm a complete beginner to PC building myself and basically winging the process, but I was able to get the job done. So I put together this video to share my experience. Let's get right into the video, shall we? Step 1. Preparation. First things first, shut down your PC completely and pull the power cord straight out of the wall. Hold down your PC power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This will just bleed off any leftover juice stored in the desktop. Touch a bare unpainted metal part of your case so you don't accidentally zap yourself from any of your parts. Step 2. Unplug the old cables. Grab your phone and snap a few pictures of where everything is plugged in right now, especially the motherboard, graphics card, and hard drives. It's a massive lifesaver when you're trying to remember where things go later. Start unplugging all the cables connected to your parts. Step 3. Remove the old power supply. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the back of your case and set them aside so they don't get lost. Step 4. Install the new power supply. Do not reuse the old power cables, even if they physically fit, because power supplies are wired completely differently on the inside. So mixing cables is a one-way ticket of frying your whole system. Use only the fresh ones that came with your new power supply. If your new power supply is fully modular, plug the cables you know you'll need into the unit first before you shove it into your case. It saves a lot of awkward maneuvering and frustration later. You guys will witness this rookie mistake later on. Lastly, slide the new power supply unit into your PC. Make sure the fan is pointing the right way. Mine will personally be face down since my case has a filtered vent on the bottom. Once you're done, secure it to the back of the case using the 4 screws. Step 5. Route and connect the cables. Plug the power cord back into the wall and flip the power supply unit switch to the I position. Hit the power button on your case. If all the fans spin up and your PC boots into Windows or the BIOS, you successfully installed it. Well, that's at least how it's supposed to go. Anyways, let's get into the build.
Maybe I should use my laptop.
Step 1, we start with the preparation. So we unscrew the 2 screws on the side and open up the PC.
And take this out. I wonder if it's better to like...
Yeah, I did not know that part was removable. Is it there to like protect the PCU? Or... yeah, low-key, I'm gonna buy like a compressed air to like remove the dust because I don't know if it's working or not. Next, we unplug the old cables. And that part right there, the chunky part, that is the connector to the motherboard. So once I'm done, I take out the power supply, the old one. Using autofocus to record videos was a pretty bad idea, I ain't gonna lie. I do not know if y'all can see it, but this is like a rotational shift power supply. All right, let's open this thing up.
How do I go about this?
New PSU, holy shit. Damn, so you can like turn it like this or like this. This is a rookie mistake. I should have connected all the cables I needed into the power supply first, then put it in the case, because I spent like at least 2.5 hours just configuring like the whole thing. So yeah, it took a little bit of struggle to put in the plug for the motherboard. But yeah, as you can see, I proceed on putting the cables within the case rather than doing from outside. I don't think I ever shown in the video that you're supposed to install the PCIe cable to your graphics card. but basically all the plugs that you took off from your old supply, you installed the new ones on the same spot.
One piece said the thing. I think it goes here.
I didn't connect the SATA cables in the first and second slot. Initially, I just plugged them into like the fourth and fifth slot, which it didn't really work.
This thing though.
Yeah, I still don't know what that does.
I could probably just like interesting. Got these.
Yeah, so what's really cool about this modular power supply is that you can put it at different sort of angles to have like more of a cleaner wire management.
Good to go. Yeah, I might be doing this wrong. I can't tell. Got that.
Because initially, you see how like the wires are sticking out from the front, right, outside the case or something. I wanted, you know, the other way around, but there was like a panel that was covering it up, so I wasn't able to do that. I've recently learned that the screws that are behind those plates they're called rivets, and apparently you're not supposed to remove it. Like it's there for a reason. So unfortunately, I won't be able to do proper wire management at this time.
Okay, now what? I think I'm practically done. I mean, nothing too crazy. Hell that. I know I gotta. Oh,
so I proceed because the last thing you want is the PC not to boot up, which that could be a major concern. Yeah, for the most part, I was completely lost on like, did I get all the cables I need connected into the PC? Once you're done installing the PCU, just install the 4 screws on the back to secure the power supply.
You got this little USB.
And honestly, I don't know why it came with the USB cable too, right? So I was wondering what's the purpose of that.
Like, I mean, it's nice, I guess, you know what I'm saying? So
I found like a feather duster, so I removed a little bit of dust at least. So yeah, with the kit, it also comes with like magnetic clamps where you can like wire your power cables much better.
No. Oh shoot, that's cool. Oh my god, my gloves are coming off.
So now we close it up and then we test it out. All right, moment of truth. Cool, it lights up. That's splendid. And with that, our power supply is officially working. So I opened up my PC and managed to change out my power supply unit. What do you think of the process? I hope y'all seeing my process is at least somewhat helpful. Changing out the power supply for the first time can be a little bit tricky, but you'll get used to the process. Next video, I'll be switching out the graphics card, so please check out the next video as well. Take care of yourselves and please have yourselves a damn good one. See you soon, friends.